Yo Longhairs, Elefante here with a very serious question. What's the deal with dry shampoo? Maybe you've heard about it. Women swear by it, but it seems like this mystery product just out of our grasp. Even saying dry shampoo sounds counterintuitive. When you hear shampoo, you think water, wet, shower, working that goo into your cabbage and rinsing it out. So what the hell is dry shampoo? Well, here at the Longhairs, we are big-time hair guys, and we won't allow the mystery to go unsolved any longer. After research, testing, I can tell you that dry shampoo is the real deal. I'm going to start by answering, what is dry shampoo? Who should use it? When you should use it? And finally, how do you use dry shampoo? But first, before we get into that, I want to remind you guys that not every guy needs to be a hair expert, but there's a few things that every guy with long hair needs to know. You can get the fundamentals of hair care with quick tips by us, the Longhairs, and you and your mane shouldn't go any longer without knowing this stuff. So hit the link in the description and access quick tips. So what is dry shampoo? Well, we go a little bit deeper on the blog, but here, simply put, it's a mixture of powder, starches, and soda that absorb grease and sweat and oils, as well as deodorizes and refreshes your hair and scalp. It's great if you're on day 7 of your hair wash cycle. It'll leave you like you just washed yesterday, and it's also gonna leave you with a clean, matte finish. Smells great, looks great, feels great. While it does leave you feeling super fresh and looking great, it's not a replacement for a regular shampoo and conditioning wash cycle. And for this tutorial, I'm gonna be using our own dry shampoo, Instant Freshies. Anyone can use dry shampoo, but it's especially helpful for guys with oily hair or scalp types. It's great if you want to stretch your wash and condition cycle an extra day, and it can be really great for frequent flyers who find bringing a shampoo and a conditioner in their toiletries with them an inconvenience. Just throw this in your bag and you get a little refresh on the travel. There's a few delivery systems that you can use when applying dry shampoo. I've seen a aerosol. Some brands use a perforated top. I've seen even a wide open mouth container, which can be a little unruly. Here at the Longhairs for Instant Freshies, we've gone with a super simple, just open top. And you can use this top with any of the delivery methods that we're about to show you. The main goal though is to distribute the particle evenly throughout your roots and scalp. And here's how I do that. First things first, hat comes off. Now I'm gonna kind of find the most oiliest spot, which is usually right at the crown of my head, and I'm gonna take that whole bottle and I'm just gonna gently tip it and tap it to get some decent coverage around the crown of my head. And I'm gonna briskly work that in so it absorbs all the oil around the roots on the top of my head. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna split my hair down the side on one side of my head and sprinkle a little bit more. Then I'm gonna move to the other side, part my hair on the side of the head, sprinkle a little bit more there. And then again, briskly work it into the roots and my scalp. Little wet. So that's how I use dry shampoo, but it's not the only way it can be done. For another demonstration, we're gonna go over to El Sicario to show us how he does it. You'll notice El Sicario's got a brush with him. And what he's gonna do is pre-brush his ends so that when we apply the product with that brush, we're not cinching knots down to the ends. Now when he's all brushed out, he's gonna take some of that Instant Freshies. He's gonna apply it to the brush. And that brush is gonna go straight to his scalp so that he can work the product into the roots. This is where that pre-brushing comes in handy. Now he's gonna give it a little shake out, a little toss up. Looking pretty good. some great tactics from El Sicario, and for good measure, we're gonna go into another demo by El Rubio himself. El Rubio steps up to the plate with an oil slick for a head, but no worries, he's got instant freshies in hand. He's gonna take some of that product and it's going straight into the palm of his hand. When he thinks he's got enough, he's gonna set that bottle aside. Now he's gonna split the product between both hands. And whipping his hair down, he's taking both handfuls straight to the roots and scalp, vigorously massaging it through, making sure to get full coverage. Briskly is the word of importance here. And then with the final whip up, look at that, oil slick, taken care of. Now that is freshness without delay, and that is how you use dry shampoo. Now go forth and refresh your mane with confidence. Personally, I love Instant Freshies. It's part of this apex level hair care line that we've developed for men with long hair, though preferred by women over the leading salon brand. I take confidence knowing that we took the time to research, test, and develop this game changer in-house here at the Longhairs. Instant Freshies Dry Shampoo and the rest of this apex level hair care line is available at thelonghairs.us, or you can just hit the link in the description, or you can also sign up for those quick tips I mentioned, and you might just get 20% off, which you can use on any or all of our hair care line. Until you get that freshness without delay, keep letting it ride. See?